your girl Ekwa Bellissima. Today recipe, we are coming to prepare omelette, that's frittata in Italy. And with this recipe, you can enjoy it in morning, afternoon, and then evening. So let's go on with our ingredients. We have 8 medium size of eggs, 3 chops of potatoes, 1 large chops of onions, and then 1 clove of garlic. We have 1.5 of carrots, half of green, we have red pepper, green pepper, and then the yellow one, and then a little of half cup of milk. We have our olive oil, black pepper, oregano, and then our parsley, and then salt to taste. And this our cheese, okay, our cheese to do it. So let's go on. Let's start with our recipe of today. Let's start on our fire. Medium, very low heat. We add a little bit of olive oil. Okay. Let's wait for some time for the olive oil to be hot a little bit. Then we add our onions, garlic. So we are adding our onions, 1 chopped onions, and then 1 clove of garlic all together. You stir it a bit and then you leave it for about 2 to 3 minutes. Leave it for about 2 to 3 minutes. So we are coming to add our potatoes. Add your potatoes, but we want the potatoes to be a little bit brown. So we will leave it for 5 minutes. Then we see if this mic is not brown. We leave it another 5 minutes. So we are now coming to add our carrots. Our carrots and then all the peppers. Then you stir it together. You add a little bit of salt. How colorful it is. Very beautiful. We are coming to cover it a bit for the carrot to be a little bit soft. Cover it for about 2 to 3 minutes. So whilst our vegetables and the potatoes on fire, we are coming to stir our eggs together. So we are coming to add a little bit of black pepper, oregano, just a little bit, parsley, little bit of salt to taste. Of milk, then 1 tablespoon of grated cheese. stir it together. Mix everything together. Make sure you mix it well. If you still haven't subscribed to this channel, please do so. It's free. Don't charge anything. Come and join the family. You're welcome anytime. Now okay, we are going to check our vegetables and the potatoes on that on fire and see. Wow, wow. We are coming to add our eggs. Just pour everything. Then you stir it. Continue stirring it. You can see what the watering inside. Continue stirring it. That's Italian potato omelette. You can have it for your lunch or dinner. For 5 minutes to 7 minutes. So we are going to leave it for 5 to 7 minutes. We are coming to 10 it. Just look at how have you seen it? Okay. We are checking if it is ready. Wow! Just look at our omelette. That's our fantastic. Very beautiful one. We are coming to taste it, eh? Just look how it came out. Very beautiful one. You can try it at home, eh? Just look at it. It's very thick. If you have it in dinner, lunch, breakfast, everything. Let's taste it. Very delicious. Subscribe to Just Channel. Please subscribe to Just Channel. Like it. Comment. Let me swallow it and share. So we can catch up in our next video. See you. Bye bye.